So do you like the new HP 14 Beats Edition? It has up to 6 hours of battery life, a 14.5-inch edge-to-edge, high-definition Bright View Infinity LED display, a red backlit keyboard.
No, I can't believe you like that piece of junk. I like the new Apple MacBook Pro, up to 7 hours of battery, 13-inch LED backlit glossy wide screen display, full-size backlit keyboard.
The HP Envy 14 has 640GB 7200 RPM hard drive and Windows 7 Home Premium, and priced at $1,049.99.
Well, the MacBook Pro has 320GB 5400 RPMs hard drive and OS X line, and priced at $1,199.
The HP can play games and has a higher memory.
But the Apple has more functions, apps and more.
Windows is way better than Mac.
No, Mac is better.
Windows.
Mac is the best. And I'm breaking up with you, loser. Like I thought you were hot.